Hi y'all, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, thanks for watching, and if you're a subscriber, thanks for staying solid. So today I am doing Bohemian braids again, but this time it's with human hair. And today I use Lockbraids Human hair. I'll have the link in the description box as well as the specific hair that I use. Also, there's a code. So if y'all want to purchase this hair, you can get 20% off if you put Alice20. I'll put it here so y'all can see what you want to put in. But this hair is actually so pretty. It's my first time using human hair, and it looks so cute and curly and bohemianish. Like, it's so full. I was so surprised how full it is. Like, the 3 bundles were like, they were great, and it was so full and beautiful. Like, look at it. It's so cute. And I just love it. Like, it was easy to work with this type of hair. Because of how I did my bohemian braids the first time, I decided to tie it at the ends this time, because the thing that I saw a lot was when I was doing stuff, like when I was at the gym, sometimes I will see like pieces falling off and everything. I'll be like, what's going on? So when it comes to bohemian braids, you have to be sure to seal it in a way that it does not come out. And I definitely did not want this hair to come out since it's human hair. So what I did was tie it at the ends. You'll see it in my video. I have different sections on the video if you want to just click through. But for bohemian braids, you'll definitely need to seal it in a way, whether it's hair glue I think people have been using, or nail glue, or braiding it to make sure that the hair does not go anywhere. But again, this is such beautiful hair. If you want to see how I got this look, please keep watching. So before actually braiding my hair, I love to prep it by blow drying it and sectioning it. So when I actually do my hair, all I need to do is pull out a twist and braid it individually, usually by sitting down instead of having to stand up and use all that time. This is what the outcome looks like, and then when I'm ready to braid, I just take it out.
Never do this to you. I need to hold a corner.
To start knotless braids, since we already have our twist pre-parted, we just pull the twist out and it's already sectioned in 2. So I'm just gelling it to show the separation. We get the added hair, and with that, you put it on the 2 parts, and then you grab one hair of that 2 part and you twist it while grabbing the other hair through and out, and then you'll have your actual hair left out, and then that's when you'll add the added hair to braid it down. And you will just continuously keep adding the braided hair, so it is the width you would like the braid and the length you would like the braid, so that will determine the size of the knotless braid you will get. So to add curly pieces is similar to starting the braiding hair. Again, I'm going to separate it so you can see, and I just twist it throughout with the braiding hair, and then I grab it on the other side. But with the exposing hair, you would get the curly piece. Make sure you get the straight piece together added on, not too long, so it stays within the braid and it doesn't go anywhere and it's secured. and you'll just keep braiding it down so it doesn't go anywhere. And while braiding, please make sure to remove the curly pieces away from you so you do not braid it within the hair, as well as continuously make sure the hair surrounding your braid is not getting braided into the hair. Since this is a knotless braid hairstyle, there are curly pieces everywhere, so you can possibly tend to accidentally braid the other curly pieces. So just be sure to continuously check while braiding the hair that it's not getting braided with the curly pieces. As you can see, I keep removing the curly pieces away from my braid because it can continuously get tangled, and when you get to the end, you don't want to realize that you braided into another curly piece.
You don't know, babe, when you hold me, you kiss me slowly, it's the sweetest thing, and it don't change. If I had it my way, you would know that you are. You're the coffee that I need in the morning. You're my sunshine in the rain when it's pouring. Won't you give yourself to me? Give it all. I just wanna see. I just wanna see how beautiful you are. You know that I see it. I know you're a star. Where you go, I'll follow. No matter how far. If life is a movie, oh, you're the best part. Oh, you're the best part. Oh, best part.
It's the sunrise and those brown eyes, yes. You're the one that I desire. When we wake up and then we make love, it makes me feel so nice.
Okay, y'all, this is the last piece of curl. I'm so tired because it's been days. So I'm going to show y'all how to tie the ends and how I put the hair together so it doesn't get loose on the ends and fall out. So to secure the ends, I add the curly piece when I have a little bit of synthetic hair exposed when it's getting towards the end. I do this so it doesn't look chunky towards the end because you will have to cut the synthetic pieces out, so the curly pieces are the only one left. So what I do is I just keep braiding it down, and when it gets to the point that I would like the curly pieces to be and there is a little bit of synthetic hair, I tie this about a couple times, about I believe like 3 to 4 times to secure the braid to make sure it's not going anywhere. As you can see, I do this a few times and I just make sure that the curl pieces are literally not going anywhere. And once that is all secure, I just get my pair of scissors and I take out the straight pieces. You'll see the difference, as you can see, and cut the synthetic pieces out so it won't get tangled and it will have the natural look.
Oh, you've got some vacation time. You and your girlfriend, too bad mind. Bad when you both combine. I don't know why you look so nice. Girl, you're not nice, you're rude. Want me to feel like I'm new. Want me to watch you do. Don't get you look so nice being not nice.